In this video lecture, we are going to look at list methods in Python programming. Okay, so previously I told you about list and we saw so many things we can do with list. I believe you really practiced that before coming about to this very lecture. Now, there are some methods that will help us to work with list. But before then, let's go ahead and create a simple list. And then let's say list of A is equal to Paul, Peter. I don't know why I like Paul and Peter. Wow, that is really, I don't know what I want to say about that. Hello, and I love hello so much. And it's 790, 100. I think that is okay. And we can, let me go ahead and use a for loop to iterate to this and print them out. So using the for loop, I'm going to say for I in A. So for I in A, then I'm going to say print I. Print I. Now let's go ahead and print the values of this list. Go ahead and run this code and check it out. Paul, Peter, hello, 8, 790 and 100 were printed out. I believe that is easy. Wow, yes, it's easy. And you can also print out the value of A. Just go ahead and say print A. And go ahead and run your code and check it out. And this is our list. So now I want to add something to the list. How can you add something to your list? Let's go ahead and check it out. So this is my list and I want to add something there. I can go ahead and say a.append. A.append. It can be integer or string. Let's go ahead and add something like educate and go ahead and run this code and check it out. Whoa, I didn't print anything. I just said append and now I was too fast here. Wow. Go ahead and say print A. Wow, I was very fast to go ahead and run that code and it gave me something else. So now I'll go ahead and run this and let's check it out. You can see I have Paul, Peter, hello, 87, 90, 100 and educate. And educate is a string. Then let's go here and add integer. A.append and let's go that's 65 and go here and run this code and check it out. Run this, you see that? After educate and it added this. And you can also go ahead and add many dot append. And the first one is, whoa, Jude. Put a comma and let's say 10 and 45 and you can still add you. Wow, that is good. So this is going to look very good. Let's go ahead and run this and check it out. Whoa, what happened? It says append text exactly one argument for given. So I really just want to keep these 4 at a time. But it's complaining that it needs only one. Why must it take only one? Because append takes only one argument at a time. Alright, so that is why I said append takes exactly one argument for given. Okay. So when you have such error and you want to give this as an argument, because I just want to stress on that, you can go ahead and put double parentheses. Go ahead and add this and run this code. This will serve as a single argument. Go ahead and run this code and check it out. Boom. And you have this here. But inside here, this is a single argument. And if you don't want to do this, you can go ahead and remove this parentheses you gave here. Go ahead and remove this from here and add quotation mark. Go ahead and add quotation mark. and this is one argument. Let's run this code and check it out. Boom. And that is one argument. So, but you don't need this. But you can be able to play around with it, because the essence of teaching all this is for you to have the knowledge, because that is so where sometimes it would be used in programming. Okay? That is the essence of teaching the basics of Python programming, alright? So now I want to remove this because I don't need this last one. And I've appended this. Go ahead and remove this. Let's work with this because I have some things to show you here. So now that we have this, you've learned how to append. And okay, I'll go ahead and keep the append. Let's go ahead and keep that append educate. And is there, what if I want to remove Paul? I want to remove Paul. How can I do that? I can go ahead and say a dot remove. And go ahead and put what you want to remove, and that is Paul. Let's go ahead and check it out. Sprint this. Run this code. Oh, I have not run. Why am I too fast always? I don't know why I'm very fast. Go ahead and run this code again and check it out. So you can see that Paul is removed. Why? AGK was appended. You see that? So you can be able to remove Paul. And if you want to print out the index of this, how do you do that? Let's go ahead and check it out. So you can remember that Paul is index 0. But when Paul is removed, beta becomes index 0. Let's check it out and know if this is true or false. So a dot index, a dot index, and that is Peter. Let's go ahead and run this code because I've already put print here. You can see my print here. Because I don't want to be too fast anymore. Go ahead and run this and check it out. Oh, wow. I wanted to print out this so that this can show me index of Peter. And Peter should be index 1. Go ahead and copy this. Put print right here. And cover this here. Let's get the index of Peter. Go ahead and run this code again and check it out. So Peter is index 0. You see that? Because Paul is supposed to be index, but I've removed Paul. Now hello should be index 1. Let's go ahead and change this to hello. And you see that we changed to 1. Hello. And run this code and check it out. 1. You see that? Now I want to show you how to reverse all these. Let's go ahead and check it out. And if you want to reverse that, the index of hello will change. Let's go ahead and check and say a dot reverse, and go ahead and run this print a reverse. Run this code and check it out. So a reverse, and this is what you have. A reverse, and this is what you have. So we were looking for index hello, and Paul is none, because Paul is no longer there. So here you can see none, right? So I was trying to remove Paul, and because Paul does not exist, and you are seeing none, alright? Okay. What again do we want to do? Let's go ahead and learn more and more, because it's very interesting. Alright, so we have too many things here. Let me go ahead and remove all these, or I go ahead and put them as multiple line comment, and I can go ahead and close this. So now let's go ahead and say print pop up. So if I go ahead and say print a.pop, so this method will help me to print out the very first index. Let's go ahead and run this and check it out. Run this, and this is 0. Okay, this is 0. What if I go ahead and put in index 0, and let's run this code and check it out. Paul, it starts from the beginning, but without anything, it starts from the back. And if I go ahead and remove that and pop, let's go ahead and run again, and that is Peter. You see the pop method, what it does. So now let's go ahead and check out the count method. I'll go ahead and remove this, and I'm going to say count a.count, and I want to count, let's say Peter. And let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. 1, and Peter is index 1. Okay, so word of Paul. Let's check out Paul, and let's run this again. And this is Paul is 1. Let's go ahead and check how many times Paul reappear. Add Paul again. So the count helps us to check how many times this appears. Let's go ahead and run this and check it out. 2. You see that? And Peter appeared once, and let's go ahead and put 87. 87. So go ahead and check out this. That is 87. Go ahead and run this code and check it out. Wow, what did I do? Go ahead and put a comma here. And stop confusing the system. Oh wow. So 87 appeared 3 times. You see that? So count helps us to check how many times that appears. And I believe that is very easy, and you're learning something very interesting here, okay? Okay, so let me go ahead and open this again, and I will remove these multiple line comments I put here. Remove all this from here. And in case you have declared many stuffs here and you don't remember what you've declared, go ahead and say print dir, print dir, and run this and check it out. Boom. And this is where you've declared annotations, built-in hash doc, and let's go down here. So these are the variables you just declared, only A. So what if you declare B? Let's go ahead and check out if you declared B. Go ahead and check this out. Wow, what did I just did? So if you declare many variables, if you go ahead and use dir to check how many variables you just created, and let this be Z, and run this code again and check out this. Run and go down here, and these are the variables you just created. So these are what you declare: A, B, C, and Z. I hope that is cool, and it's very interesting. So I believe you learned a lot, and please practice what you've learned so far, and remember to always check out how many variables you just declared in a program by using dir. It will help you to do that because it's your program and it has been programmed to help you. So, if you have any question on this video lecture, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.